find a formula for the general term. So here we got a sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, and if we look at closely, second minus first 3, third minus second 3. So this is an arithmetic sequence because the difference is same. Okay, here we have common difference. Let's say D, that is second minus first, or third minus second, or fourth minus third, etc. That's 3. And first term is 2. That's the first term. Then we can find the common term, any term, an, where n starts from 1 to 1. Okay, that is given by a plus first term plus common difference times n minus 1, which is, in this case, a is 2 plus common difference is 3, n minus 1. If we simplify this, we get 2 plus distribute 3, 3n minus 3. That is, let's 2 minus 3, negative 1, so 3n minus 1. So 3n minus 1 gives us every single term, okay, in this case. So an equals 3n minus 1. If we take n equals 1, that's 3 minus 1, 2, first term. If we take n equals 2, 6 minus 1, 5, we get second term, etc. Okay, so whenever we have a common difference like this, it's an arithmetic sequence, and the nth term is given by a plus d times n minus 1. Let me give you more examples. If we have, like, let's say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc., the common difference is 2. So this is 1 plus an is 1 plus common difference n minus 1, which is 1 plus distribute 2, that is 2n, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So these are numbers can be represented by 2n minus 1. In the same way, if we have, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, then an is first term plus common difference n minus 1, that is 2 plus distribute 2, 2n minus 2, 2 and 2 cancel, just 2n. So these terms of the sequence can be found using 2n, which is kind of obvious. 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, etc. Okay, so when we have a common difference, that's an arithmetic sequence, and the general term an is a plus common difference times n minus 1. You need to simplify. Let's look at second example. So that's not, this is different than this. Here, second divided by first is negative 2, third divided by 2 is negative 2. So this is a geometric sequence, and this is called common ratio. So R, the ratio is same, common ratio. So in this case, general term an is given by a r n minus 1, where r is the common ratio, a is the first term, which that is, in this case, 3 times r is negative 2 raised to n minus 1. And now we don't have to do anything else. We cannot get rid of this negative sign, etc. This is it. If we take n equals 1, we're going to get the first term. If we take n equals 2, we should get second term. You can try. Here, 8, negative 4, 2, 1, it's the same thing. Second term divided by first, negative 1/2. Third term divided by second, that's negative 1/2 as well. So that is common ratio, a geometric sequence. So an is given by a r n minus 1, where a is the first term, r is the common ratio, negative 1/2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, this is it. we can simplify a little bit, but not much, because it's negative 1 raised to n minus 1 on the top and 2 raised to n minus 1, but this is it. Part D. Okay, so here obviously not an arithmetic sequence, but how about second term divided by 2? That is negative 4. 3 goes on the bottom, 4 over 6, that's negative 2/3. Third term divided by second, let's see this, that is 8 over 9 times, if we flip, negative 3/4. 3 goes 3 times, this negative sign, 3 goes 3 times, 4 goes 2 times, 2/3, negative 2/3. Okay, so this is a geometric sequence because second divided by first is negative 2/3, so that is the common ratio. Regardless of this ratio, I mean, we could have third divided by second, fourth divided by third, we get the same thing. So the general term an is given by arn minus 1, where a is the first term, r is negative 2/3 raised to n minus 1. You may leave here. Final.